How to knit SKL, slip, knit, lift, right leaning, KFB or bar increase. A KFB is a classic left leaning increase, very easy to learn, but have you ever wondered if there is a right leaning counterpart? Yes? Well, in this video I want to show you a very easy way to achieve exactly that. There is no canonized name for this in the English language, as far as I know at least. You could call it right leaning bar increase or maybe KFB-right, but I actually prefer SKL, slip, knit, lift. Let's show you how to knit it. So you start knitting this right leaning increase by slipping one stitch knitwise and then immediately pass that back to the left needle point to point. This twists the stitch around. And now you knit this loop as normal by going in through the front leg and drop it off the needle. So far, so good. And now you need to lift the right leg of the stitch one row below. So this leg here, this leg, back to the left needle and knit the resulting loop through the back loop. Drop it off. There is your first SKL. Let's do that one more time, and I'm going to keep one standard knit stitch in between. So slip knitwise, slip back to the left needle point to point and knit through the front leg. And now pick up the right loop here and knit it through the back loop. Let's do that one more time. Again, I keep one knit stitch in between. Slip knitwise, slip back, knit through the front loop, pick up the right loop, knit through the back loop and drop. Let's do that a couple of more times in slow motion. So if you have been knitting along, then you might have noticed that this right leaning increase is maybe a little bit unusual, but actually fairly simple to knit. And with a little bit of practice, you can scoop up the yarn here. I sort of do it in one motion, so my needle is already here in place, and then I can already lift it back to the needle. So as I drop this stitch, I can sort of, well, wiggle my needle through. See, this can be one smooth motion. Let's do that one more time. So as I drop the stitch, I kind of go around and immediately knit that. And again, if you pair SKL with a standard KFB, you can achieve a wonderful mirrored increase. So your swatch will look exactly the same on both sides. And that is actually quite exciting because KFB is one of the rare increases that does not make use of a stitch one or a strand one row below, and it does not create any big holes. So in all of these cases where you cannot use make one right and make one left, this could be a lovely alternative. Anyway, that's how to knit SKL or a right-leaning bar increase, aka a right-leaning KFB. Comment below in case you have any further questions, and happy knitting and enjoy the rest of your day.